Hi, welcome to Corporate Tax Day 16. Today we are going to see the second category of exempt person. Exempt person if they notify to the Ministry of Finance and meet the relevant condition. This category includes both extractive businesses and non-extractive natural resource businesses. If extractive businesses or non-extractive natural resource businesses conduct an independent business that is not ancillary to its ordinary businesses and its revenue is more than 5% of total revenue, exemption is not available and required to register for corporate tax. As per UAE Constitution, natural resources is the public property of respective emirates. Therefore, it is subject to some form of emirate level taxation and exempt from corporate tax. Now we see definition of extractive and non-extractive businesses. What is meant by extractive businesses? Extractive business means activity of exploring, extracting, removing or exploiting natural resources. Non-extractive natural resource business involves conversion of raw material of natural resources to its finished point of sale. A person who is conducting natural businesses or extractive businesses and non-extractive businesses is exempt from corporate tax where all the following conditions are met. Condition number 1. The person should hold the license issued by local government to undertake its extractive businesses. Number 2. Person effectively subject to tax under emirate level taxation. Number 3. Person has made a notification to Ministry of Finance of their exempt person status. If non-extractive natural resource business derives its income from any person who is not within the scope of corporate tax law, means for example any natural person who is not conducting any business, this exemption from corporate tax will not be available. Thank you very much. Have a great day.